Have you ever reached into your pocket, opened an old coin jar, or looked through a collection passed down from a family member and wondered whether one tiny penny could secretly be worth a fortune? It may sound unbelievable, but the world of coin collecting is filled with stories of ordinary-looking coins that have sold for astonishing amounts of money. Among these fascinating coins is the 1984 Lincoln 1-cent coin, a small piece of American history that continues to attract the attention of collectors around the world. Millions of people have handled this coin without giving it a second thought, yet experienced numismatists know that certain examples possess unique characteristics that make them far more valuable than their face value. Today, we're taking a deep dive into everything you need to know about the 1984 1-cent coin, from its design and weight to its symbols, history, minting process, valuable varieties, famous errors, and current collector interest. By the end of this journey, you may find yourself looking at every penny in your home with a completely different perspective. The story of the 1984 Lincoln cent begins long before 1984 itself. To truly appreciate this coin, we have to travel back to the early years of the 20th century. Before the Lincoln cent was introduced, the United States had already produced several different designs for the 1-cent denomination. However, in 1909, the nation celebrated the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth, and the United States Mint made a historic decision. For the first time in American history, a real historical figure would appear on a regularly circulating U.S. coin. That person was Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States, remembered for preserving the Union during the Civil War and helping end slavery through the Emancipation Proclamation. The original Lincoln cent was designed by Victor David Brenner, a talented sculptor whose initials, VDB, became famous among coin collectors. His portrait of Abraham Lincoln has remained one of the most recognizable coin designs ever produced in the United States. Although the reverse design has changed over the decades, Lincoln's profile has continued to represent the 1-cent coin for generations of Americans. By the time the year 1984 arrived, the United States had already produced Lincoln cents for 75 years. America was experiencing rapid technological growth, personal computers were becoming more common, and the country was entering a new era of innovation. Yet despite these changes, billions of Lincoln cents continued to be produced every year for everyday commerce. One of the most interesting aspects of the 1984 Lincoln cent is its weight. Many people assume all pennies weigh exactly the same, but that is not always true. The standard 1984 Lincoln cent weighs approximately 2.5 grams. This weight became standard after a significant composition change that occurred in 1982. Prior to that year, most Lincoln cents were made primarily of copper and weighed about 3.11 grams. Rising copper prices made those coins increasingly expensive to manufacture, so the United States Mint changed the composition to a core of zinc with a thin outer coating of copper. This reduced both production costs and the overall weight of the coin. The composition of the 1984 Lincoln cent consists of approximately 97.5% zinc and 2.5% copper plating. While the coin appears to be solid copper, it is actually made mostly of zinc beneath its shiny copper-colored surface. This change remains one of the most significant developments in modern United States coinage and is an important detail for collectors. The diameter of the coin measures 19.05 millimeters, while its thickness is approximately 1.52 millimeters. The edge of the coin is plain, meaning it has no reeds or grooves. Although these specifications seem simple, they help collectors verify authenticity and identify unusual varieties or mint errors. Let's take a closer look at the design itself. The obverse, or front side, features the famous right-facing portrait of Abraham Lincoln. His calm facial expression reflects dignity and strength, characteristics often associated with his presidency. Around the upper edge of the coin appears the word liberty, representing one of the fundamental ideals of the United States. On the opposite side appears the date 1984, indicating the year the coin was struck. Just above Lincoln's portrait is the national motto, "In God We Trust." This phrase first appeared on certain U.S. coins during the Civil War era before becoming standard on most American coinage. Together, these inscriptions create one of the most recognizable coin designs in American history. Beneath the date, collectors may notice a small letter, or sometimes no letter at all. This tiny symbol is known as the mint mark, and it tells us where the coin was produced. Coins without a mint mark were struck at the Philadelphia Mint. coins bearing a D were produced at the Denver Mint. During 1984, the San Francisco Mint primarily produced proof coins intended for collectors rather than everyday circulation, and these proof coins feature the S Mint mark. The reverse side of the 1984 Lincoln Cent displays the Lincoln Memorial, a design introduced in 1959 to commemorate the 150th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth. This reverse was created by Frank Gasparo, whose initials FG appear near the base of the memorial. At the top of the reverse is the national motto E pluribus unum, a Latin phrase meaning out of many, one. This motto symbolizes the unity of the states forming one nation. Across the center stands the Lincoln Memorial itself, one of America's most famous monuments located in Washington, D.C. If you examine the design carefully under magnification, you can actually see the tiny seated statue of Abraham Lincoln inside the memorial. This incredible detail often surprises new collectors because it means Lincoln appears twice on the same coin, once on the front and once inside the memorial on the reverse. Below the memorial appears the denomination 1 cent, while beneath that are the words United States of America. Every element of the design was carefully arranged to balance beauty, symbolism, and practicality. Although billions of 1984 cents were produced, not every coin is worth more than 1 cent. Most circulated examples remain common today. Their value generally ranges from 1 cent to a few cents depending on condition. Coins that remain uncirculated with original mint luster can be worth significantly more to collectors, especially when professionally graded. The real excitement begins when collectors discover unusual varieties and mint errors. One of the most famous is the 1984 doubled ear variety. This error occurred during the die-making process rather than during the actual striking of the coin. As a result, Lincoln's ear appears doubled, creating a dramatic visual effect that can be seen without powerful magnification once you know where to look. The 1984 doubled ear cent has become one of the best-known modern Lincoln cent varieties. Depending on condition, certified examples have sold for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. High-grade specimens with strong doubling and exceptional preservation continue to attract competitive bidding whenever they appear at major auctions. Collectors also search for off-center strikes, broad strikes, clipped planchets, die cracks, cuds, die chips, repunched mint marks on earlier issues, and other striking anomalies. Every mint error tells a story about the manufacturing process, making these coins fascinating historical artifacts as well as collectibles. Another factor that greatly influences value is condition. Coin collectors use grading standards ranging from poor all the way to mint state 70. A coin showing heavy wear may only be worth face value, while an identical coin preserved in flawless condition can command dramatically higher prices. Tiny differences invisible to casual observers can mean the difference between a 1-cent coin and one worth hundreds or thousands of dollars. Professional grading companies authenticate coins, assign numerical grades, and encapsulate them in protective holders. These services provide confidence to buyers and sellers while helping establish market value. Collectors often rely on certified examples when purchasing expensive varieties because authentication reduces the risk of counterfeits or altered coins. Many people have encountered sensational online claims suggesting that a 1984 penny is worth millions of dollars or even over $100 million. Such headlines attract enormous attention, but there is no verified public auction record of a regular 1984 Lincoln cent selling for anything close to that amount. Extraordinary claims should always be verified through reputable auction records, professional grading companies, and trusted numismatic references. That does not mean the 1984 Lincoln cent is unimportant. Quite the opposite. It remains one of the most collected modern American coins because of its historical significance, widespread availability, famous doubled ear variety, and educational value. Thousands of collectors still search bankrolls, inherited collections, estate sales, and old jars hoping to discover an exceptional example. Perhaps the greatest lesson this humble penny teaches us is that value often hides in the smallest places. Something overlooked for decades can suddenly become treasured because of its rarity, condition, or unique characteristics. Every scratch, every detail, every tiny mint mark, and every unusual feature has the potential to transform an ordinary coin into an extraordinary collectible. So before you dismiss the pennies lying in your drawer, tucked away in a forgotten piggy bank, or resting quietly at the bottom of an old coffee can, take a closer look. That single moment of curiosity could lead you to discover a fascinating piece of American history, or perhaps even a valuable collector's treasure that has been hiding in plain sight all along. And this is only the beginning of the story, because there is much more to uncover about the remarkable 1984 Lincoln cent, including rare minting errors, grading secrets, auction highlights, collector strategies, and the hidden details that separate an ordinary penny from one that every serious collector dreams of finding.